Yep, today's day 2, so I've done dremeling all the holes that I need, so everything's clean. So my agenda for today is to put this fork, sub fork or something to the frame. Okay? So again, I dremeled this one, so it's nice and clean. This one still has the old grease on it, so I'm just gonna mop it first on this tube right here. Okay, fork tube. Right. So when you're doing this, you gotta try to remove everything that's you don't need. So you might drop a tool or something or scratch it. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay. So I'm gonna mock this one first, and then before I fasten it, I will remove all this other stuff here. Okay. So okay, so basically I placed it in, so I mocked it, make sure that everything's ready. So I'm going to remove this thing, except for this one. So this one goes right there in a bit. Okay, so here are the stuff that I need. These are the ball bearings. I'm keeping it all original. I think there's like taper bearings option right now, but I'm still gonna go with the original stuff on it. Okay. You're gonna see me having a lot of these. It's just like sandwich bags with labels on it. Okay. So it says here on my label, lower ball bearings. Okay. So I'm gonna clean it, and then this one is upper ball bearing and everything on it, the fasteners on it. So I'm gonna clean it and then install grease on it. Here I'm gonna use a special grease. Again, this one should be clean, both of them, this one and that one, also like this one. Okay, so I'm gonna install it, fasten it, and that should be it for today. Okay, so you can see everything is set. It looks messy, but I use a special grease on it. So make sure, I don't know if you can see it, but all the bearings are there and there's no gap on it. It's also down. Okay, put grease on it. Okay, so there it is. Make sure it's free, and this one you can just make sure you can just tighten it by hand. Okay, okay, not so tight. Okay, if it's hard to torque by hand, means there's something wrong with your thread. Okay, so make sure it's free, or the threads are fine. Okay, again, no paint on it, both. Okay, so you can see it's dirty, but I made sure that the grease and the ball bearings are clean inside, so this one doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna clean it now. Okay, so that one goes in, and I believe this one should go somewhere there. Okay, thread it, and then there will be another lock washer here that I'm gonna clean, and this one goes in there. Okay, so that's it for now. So there's also bolts. There are gonna be bolts here, but at least I already installed the fork. The next one is the part of the fork, it's like a sub fork or something. I believe yes, that one, and then the shock goes in. Okay, so after that, probably tomorrow, now fun begins. I can probably put the wheels on so it will stand by itself, and the center stand. Okay, then the plan is to fasten the fenders or before the wheels, and then the engine, and then wiring. Okay, the last one will be the tank and wiring, and also the headlight bucket. Okay, so that's it for now.